Meaning of hobgoblin.
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 Hobgoblin. A hobgoblin is a mischievous and often ugly sprite or elf in folklore. The word hob may have originated from the name of the medieval peasant sprite Robin Goodfellow. Hobgoblins are commonly portrayed as tricksters who enjoy playing pranks on humans, but they can also be helpful and friendly if treated well. In modern usage, hobgoblin can refer to any imaginary or exaggerated fear or worry that a person may have. Overall, hobgoblins are creatures of myth and legend that continue to capture the imagination of people around the world.